and I will say that the modeling light from the Q120 definitely helped to allow the camera to focus in these dark conditions. The Neewer Q120 is a compact yet powerful 120 watt outdoor flash designed for photographers who need portability without sacrificing performance. Despite its small size and lightweight 1.5 pound design, the Q120 delivers a powerful 120 watts output with the consistent 5600 Kelvin color temperature, making it ideal for portraits, fashion shoots, commercial work, and outdoor photography. As far as exposure control, it supports TTL, manual, and multi-flash modes, along with a wide power adjustment range from 1/256 all the way up to full power. It also features a high-speed sync up to 1/8000 of a second, allowing you to freeze action and shoot wide open even in bright daylight. With the built-in 2.4 GHz wireless system, it provides remote control up to 100 meters, that's 328 feet away, with support for the newer Q series triggers and compatibility with the Godox X wireless ecosystem. You also get 5 wireless groups, 32 channels, and 99 ID settings for reliable operation in busy shooting environments. It also has a built-in LED modeling light with 10 brightness levels, which helps preview your lighting setup before taking the shot, while the rechargeable 3000 mAh lithium battery delivers approximately 410 to 420 full power flashes on a single charge. Rounding things out, the Q120 offers ultra-fast recycle times as quick as 0.01 and at 1.5 seconds when you're shooting at full power. It also has flash durations down to 1/23,020th of a second and support a wide range of light modifiers, making it versatile for lighting solutions for both studio and location work. Alright guys, so here's a quick little behind the scenes of some self-portraits I was taking of myself using the Q120 and along with the Godox X3 Pro trigger. This is one of the shots that I was getting, and you can see my settings. Over here onto the right hand side is where I have the Q120 that's set to 132 flash power, manual control, and this is the newer 36-inch softbox, and you can see I'm also using the modeling light as well. So here's one of the shots that I got using the camera app to be able to control the camera, and I was also using the Neewer app to control the Q120 flash power and adjusting all the settings that I needed. Overall, very impressed how the image quality came out, again using the 36-inch softbox along with the diffuser and the grid. And I will say that the modeling light from the Q120 definitely helped to allow the camera to focus in these dark conditions. And here's a couple of shots of the final edited photos that I was able to get using the Q120. Overall, my final review, I've been quite impressed with the Neewer Q120. It delivers plenty of power for its size, the build quality feels solid, and the performance has been reliable throughout my testing. The fast recycle times, the wireless control options, and long battery life make it a practical tool for both studio and location work. So what makes the Q120 particularly interesting is that it's a strong alternative to the Godox AD100Pro 2. While the Godox is a popular option, the Neewer comes in at a lower price point and actually offers a few advantages, such as including a higher 120 watts power output, excellent wireless capability, app control, and a feature set that competes very well in this category. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a compact battery-powered flash that performs well, feels well built, and offers good value for the money, the Neewer Q120 is definitely one worth considering.